Are you going to leave America in 2030?
I'm going to try and leave America in 2027.
I read that.
To leave the United States or Canada. We get it. A lot of people do.
We left the United States in 2017.
More Americans are leaving the United States for good, according to international
I've thought
experts.
about this too. My place, I believe, would be Paraguay.
Johnny rose on a May morning, gone for water to wash his hand. He hallows to me, oh, his twa grey dogs that lie bound in iron bands. When Johnny's mother, she heard all this, her hands for dole she rang, crying, Johnny, for your venison. To the greenwoods dinna ye gang, I but Johnny hitting his good ben bow, his arrows one by one, aye, and he's away the greenwood gain, Teddy the Dunderdun. Oh, Johnny, he shot aye the Dundeer, she lapped, he wounded her in the side, aye, between the walls.